Our mission is to save your money invested in Analox rolls, which is a significant amount for any printer. That is why we can guarantee the safety of each cleaned Analox roll. We produce the frame, casting, and fixation system to rotate even heavy Analox rolls without beating. Our equipment enables you to clean 1 meter of the Analox surface within 10 minutes. Due to the equipment's most delicate tuning, the laser pulses have the same density on the Analox roll's whole surface. Our experience with more than 50,000 Analox rolls of all types and sizes enabled us to automate the equipment and exclude the human factor. We save the whole cleaning history of each Analox in the cloud database, and you can easily import it into your ERP system. Some of our clients have cleaned more than 20,000 Analox rolls with our technology, and some rolls were cleaned more than 400 times. This experience allows us to guarantee the roll's safety after cleaning over the entire period of its operation. We have supplied our equipment to 10 countries, so we can integrate it into every printing house around the world. If your company possesses more than 70 Analox rolls, to save them with Laser EcoClean would be a great decision.